Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to install Minecraft Java Edition on your PC. First, open your web browser and go to the official Minecraft website. Once you are on the download page, click the button that says Download for Windows. This will download the Minecraft Launcher installer to your computer. After the file finishes downloading, open the installer. Follow the installation steps and click Install to continue. Then, open the Minecraft launcher from your desktop or from the Start menu. When the launcher opens, sign in using your Microsoft account. If you do not already have an account, you can create one from the Sign In page. After logging in, look at the left side menu and select Java Edition. If you have not purchased the game yet, you will need to buy it first before continuing. Once you own the game, click the Install button. The launcher will begin downloading all the game files automatically. When the download is complete, click Play to start Minecraft Java Edition on your PC. Thanks for watching.